Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are learning day 3 data entry basics. In this class we will learn how to enter and edit data in Excel. We will learn text, numbers and dates. We will also learn copy, cut, paste. In this class is very important beginners. Let us start. Our first topic is enter, enter text, comma, numbers, dates. This is the cell. This is cell. This is cell. This is cell. First one is text. Number, date, text is Valli, Max, number 55, date is 1 June, year. Text is used names and subjects. Numbers is used marks and salary. Dates are entered using day, month and year. After typing, press enter to move to the next cell. Our next topic is edit cell. Sometimes we may enter wrong data. I typed wrong data. To edit data, double click on the cell. Double click on cell. Or you press enter F2. This is the correct word. Now change the data and press enter. Editing helps us correct mistake easily. Our next topic is clear cell content. Clear cell content. If we want to remove data, we can clear the cell. Select the cell, press delete key. This will remove only the data, not the cell. Clear option is useful when the data is needed. Our next topic is copy, cut and paste. Copy, cut, paste. Excel allows to reuse the data using copy and paste. 1, 2, 3. Copy shortcut is Control plus C. Control plus C. Shortcut key. Control plus X. Shortcut for cut. Control plus V. Shortcut key for paste. Any data, control, press control plus C. That C. Cell is selected and anywhere you put control plus V. That shortcut key is pasted. Anywhere control plus X. The cell is selected. Cut removes the data one place and paste in another. Our next topic is paste special. Paste special gives more option while passing. Suppose I am selecting this key, control plus C, that is a copy. Now right click on another cell. This is the paste special. We can paste only value.